Hello modelers, just want to do a quick short. This is, just a little quick video, and I hope my friend Martin isn't going to be too upset about this, because Martin came up to me when I was flying indoors yesterday, and let me just move the camera a bit so you can actually see my ugly mug. So I went to St Helens in Liverpool yesterday and did a bit of indoor flying, which was brilliant. And I flew my SE5A and the Viron Tiger Moth, and it's kind of ready for the nationals now. And I was chatting to Martin, and he came up to me. He said, "Look, you recommended this this covering material, DiaCov, and I used it. I've used it on several models. I use DiaTex, which is the non-glue version, and occasionally, if I want to do ailerons or flaps or just small items, I'll use DiaCov." And he said, "So I got some, and I've tried it, and it's horrid. It just won't stick, and it does eventually stick, but then it lifts, and it's horrible." And I said to Martin, "You have taken the backing off, haven't you?" And I know that's a silly thing, and everybody knows, they've been using this stuff for years, that it does come off, and there's a clear film backing like Solatex or whatever, or a cover, or a Tex, all these sort of things. And he said, "Well, yeah, I think I did." Anyway, if you look at DiaCov, the backing, the back of it looks like glue. It isn't glue. That's the covering protector, the protective layer that's there to so let me just show you. Peels off. So I know it's an obvious and easy mistake, and we're all going, "Oh god, yeah, of course that's what it is." If you've not seen it and you aren't aware, you might not realise that that's not the glue. That's the protective layer. The glue's on this bit, in a normal way, but it's because it's got this texture on it. So when you see it, you think that's the glue layer that's been squeegeed onto the material. Anyway, it's just a quick video, and I hope Martin really doesn't mind me pointing this out. But it does show that even experienced and good modelers like Martin can fall foul of this. And I'll stick my hand up. When I first used it, I didn't take the backing off either. So, we're all capable of making mistakes. Anyway, there you go. Just a quick tip. See you soon.